Alright, you're welcome back to class. Today we are looking at the letter sound OO. Now, these letter sounds are in two forms. They make two different sounds. When you say letter O, two letter O, double O in a word, it's either make a short O or a long OO. Okay, now this is OO. OO. That is, sometimes it makes the sound a short one and sometimes it's a long OO. For example, book. So that is a short OO. Book. OO. Book. And when it's the longer one, we have it in words like zoom. We have it in words like moon. Okay, so when you see these two, you say OO or OO. Alright, so now let's look at the words I have on the board. I have here three letter sounds. Book. Ook. Book. Ook. Look. Ook. Hook. So all these have the short OO. Now let's move to these sounds here. I have three letter sounds also that makes a word. So now let's say it together. Ooh, moon. Z, ooh, zoo. Z, ooh, zoom. Alright, so today we've learned the letter sound OO, OO. Now let's quickly do a revision of all our letter sounds so that we don't forget.